What's up, y'all? This is Anthony with VanHarra Barsura removal here in Grand Rapids, Michigan. If you need my services in junk removal, give me a call, 616-726-3334. But anyway, just got a call, emergency call. One of the bigger companies here in Grand Rapids, Meyer, have a dumpster overflow, so they called me up to help them out to clear it out. So that will be the video. I don't have too much to say. Pretty simple. Just basically a dumpster clean out, making extra levels for them. So they needed something done right away, so that's how I got it. So yeah, let's get to it. Job. It was a workout. I'll take that though. A good physical workout. So, but yeah, let me show you the results of what we got so far, or what we're done actually. What we're done. But yeah, first of all, the customer was satisfied. He was satisfied. So, yeah. I'll show you what's up. So again, this is Anthony with VanHarra Barsura removal. If you got any junk that you want to remove, any property management here that need their dumpsters cleared out, give me a call, because they like my service. So give me a call, 616-726-3334. Peace.